Hello everyone, welcome to Multilingo Master, and today we're going to learn 10 essential German phrases that every beginner should know. These include greetings and polite expressions that are crucial for basic communication in German. Let's start with Hallo, which is the most common and informal way to say hello. Next, Guten Morgen means good morning, and is used to greet people in the morning, while Guten Tag means good day, and can be used throughout the day. In the evening, you can say Guten Abend, which translates to good evening. When saying goodbye, Tschüss is a casual way to say bye. Politeness is important in German culture, so knowing Bitte, please, and Danke, thank you, is essential. For affirmative and negative responses, Ja means yes and Nein means no. Lastly, Entschuldigung is a versatile word that means excuse me or sorry, useful for getting someone's attention or apologizing. Now let's practice these phrases together. I'll say each phrase first and then you repeat after me. Hello. Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Abend. Tschüss. Bitte. Danke. Ja. Nein. Entschuldigung. Remember, in Germany, using polite expressions like Bitte and Danke is crucial in everyday interactions. Today we learned 10 essential German phrases that will help you start conversations and be polite in German-speaking countries. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Multilingo Master for more German lessons. In the next video, we'll cover some basic German grammar. See you next time. Tschüss.